good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I just got to installing a kit from Plug and Play Kits in a 2020 Ford Explorer. I have the one with the LC2, the LC2i Pro, excuse me. But what you have to do is you have a panel in the back that you have to remove, this one right here. And you also have the cup holders, which is right here. Once you remove that, I kind of got it installed right now. But once you remove that, you'll have access to this area back here. And as you can see, that's the tail end, and this is where it hooks up into the LC2i. But it was really painless. You just pop out that factory plug, tie in that T-harness, and you're there. So now I'm about to go back with everything. There's an 8mm bolt here and one here. Once you remove that, you'll have access to behind here. Like I said, I got everything kind of back in place. This seam right here, once you basically untuck it from that seam, you can pull this panel out and you'll have access to that plug, which is, like I say, very painless. If I could do it, anybody can do it. So right now, I'm basically going back with everything, but it is easy. All right, later.